Welcome back, students. Now we are going to study about the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is nothing but a calcium oxychloride. Okay? What is the formula? It is CaOCl2. Clear? Now, due to the presence of oxygen and chlorine, it is called as a oxychloride. It is also called as a chlorine of lime. This bleaching powder is also called as a chlorine of lime. Now how the preparation of bleaching powder takes place. See, calcium hydroxide, it is a dry scale lime. Okay. See, this is when from the calcium hydroxide chlorine gas is passed, but this calcium hydroxide are in dry form. Okay, ये किस में है? ड्राई फॉर्म में है. ये जब ड्राई फॉर्म में होता है तब उसमें से क्लोरीन गैस पास की जाती है. व्हेन द क्लोरीन गैस इज पास थ्रू दिस ड्राई calcium hydroxide, it gives calcium oxychloride, which is nothing but a bleaching powder and water. Is it clear? When the chlorine gas is passed from the calcium hydroxide, then only we are getting the bleaching powder. That is nothing but a calcium oxychloride, or it is known as a chlorine of lime. Clear? See, what are the uses of the bleaching powder? Before the uses, we are going to discuss about its property. Bleaching powder is white substance. It is soluble in cold water. It is soluble in cold water. Always some of the part of this bleaching powder is remaining behind it. Why does it so? That remaining part is nothing but a lime. जब हम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर लेते हैं, उसे देखो घर में सबके घर में टंकियाँ होती है, उस पानी को साफ करने के लिए हम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर उसमें डालते हैं. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर कोल्ड वाटर में सोल्यूबल तो होता है, लेकिन उसका थोड़ा बहुत पार्ट रह जाता है लास्ट में. क्यों रह जाता है? वो जो थोड़ा सा पार्ट बच जाता है एट द बेस, इट इज द लाइम. इट इज लाइम प्रेजेंट इन इट. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज दैट द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज when the bleaching powder is reacting with the dilute sulfuric acid. When it is reacting with the dilute sulfuric acid, whatever the chlorine are present in it, all the chlorines are liberated. When the calcium oxychloride is treated with dilute sulfuric acid, जब ये bleaching powder हम dilute sulfuric acid के साथ treat करते हैं, वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? कैल्शियम सल्फेट. कैल्शियम सल्फेट एक सॉल्ट तैयार होता है. एंड दिस क्लोरीन गैस ऑल्सो, क्लोरीन गैस. क्लियर? दिस क्लोरीन गैस इज ऑल्सो लिबरेटेड. वॉट एवर द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन आर प्रेजेंट देयर, इट इज लिबरेटेड. जितने भी क्लोरीन उसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो लिबरेट होते हैं. नाउ व्हाई डज इट सो? सी, this chlorine is the actual real bleaching agent. समझ आया? ये जो क्लोरीन होता है ये सबसे एक्चुअल रियल ब्लीचिंग एजेंट है. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को ब्लीच करते हैं तो उसे ब्लीच करने का सबसे बड़ा काम कौन करता है? क्लोरीन ही करता है. नाउ सी, व्हाई डज इट सो? बिकॉज इट्स ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. क्लोरीन की जो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी होती है उसकी वजह से हमें ये क्लोरीन को वहाँ पे यूज़ किया जाता है. But why we are not using directly chlorine? Because it is not easy to store and utilize chlorine separately. That's why we are using the bleaching powder as a storage substance for the chlorine. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को हम एक क्लोरीन का स्टोरेज सब्सटेंस बोलकर यूज़ करते हैं. जब भी हमें उसमें से क्लोरीन चाहिए होता है, हम उसे डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड या डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं और हमें उसमें से क्या मिलता है? नंबर ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरीन इज लिबरेटेड व्हेन द ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज ट्रीटेड विद डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. Is it clear? In a similar way, if you can replace this sulfuric acid by HCl, you will get the same reaction. Is it clear? Now see, what does it have? What is the use of this bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is used for the whitening of the cottons or linen clothes. There are cotton and linen textile industries are there. The people are using this bleaching powder. Okay. It is also used in the paper industries for bleaching the wood pulp, For bleaching the wood, pulp and paper industries, we are using this bleaching powder. In the laundries also, for bleaching the clothes, we are using bleaching powder. Is also used to make the chloroform. It is also used to clarify the water. If we are adding the water for cleaning the drinking water purpose, also bleaching powder is used. Why? Because it kills the germs which are present in the water. It is also used in many number of industries as an oxidizing agent. Is it clear? So that's why the demand of the bleaching powder is much more in the industries. So what did we studied in this bleaching powder reaction? The bleaching powder is nothing but a CaOCl2. It is also known as the chlorine of lime. It is called as a calcium oxychloride. The base of it is calcium hydroxide. When it is a dried form, we pass from there chlorine gas, and then only it gives the calcium oxychloride, which is nothing but a bleaching powder. And what is the main agent in it? The chlorine is main agent in, is the real bleaching agent in the bleaching powder is chlorine, nothing but it. See, when you want the many colored clothes, when it decolors, how does it happen? It is happen only due to the presence of chlorine only. So did you understand that all this procedure? What are the uses of it? Now in next topic, we will study about the plaster of Paris are there and water of crystallization steps are there. So see you in the next session.